Guys, Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we are doing a trash bin cleaning service. We run these for annual, biannual and quarterly cleanings. A lot of our customers opt in for the quarterly cleaning, the biggest amount of savings. And also, I mean, who really wants to have sticky trash cans for an entire year, even 6 months? We do this to make sure that the trash cans for the city look great, so you never get charged for them. And also maggots can grow in them. You can have any other kind of insects, any kind of bacteria, nasty stuff just growing inside of them, putting your home and your family at risk for all those health issues. Also, if you get maggots into your trash bins, they can move into your home, move into your concrete. Your animals can get you get sick from maggots, they eat them, anything. It's just a nasty situation. So I do highly recommend that you get your trash bins cleaned by a professional who actually knows how to do it and sanitize them. Yes, you can always DIY everything yourself, but you want to make sure you're getting the highest quality of cleaning. And it's just a time saver. This guy has been working with us. We've been cleaning his trash cans for over a year now. So this is about our 4th or 5th time coming out here. He loves it. The cool thing about having a quarterly cleaning is that they're always clean. I mean, they're a little dirty right now, but the thing is, like, we'll get that cleaning really quickly. And we have a couple other houses en route in Oakdale as well. But yeah, just make sure that you are cleaning your trash cans. Get it done professionally. If you don't want to get it done professionally and pay the price for the value, then obviously at least clean them yourself. Let's get started. All right, we are going to first start off the process with rinsing off the trash bins, the insides and the outsides. Make sure we get all that top grime off of those surfaces of the trash bins. After that, going to be applying our sanitation chemical. Make sure we kill whatever is growing in there, kill whatever bacteria, growth, organic or inorganic growth that has accumulated within the trash bins. After that process, we're going to be rinsing off the trash bins. Super simple process. Just want to make sure you get it done professionally so you can make sure you have the highest quality of cleaning of your trash bins. Also going to be rinsing off the trash bins right here and then rinsing out the street. This is Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.